Welcome back. Is your espresso puck soggy and wet? In the end, as long as your cup tastes good, I mean, who cares about, soggy puck? But here's a big but though. It is a little messy to clean up your espresso, espresso portafilter. Okay. So I'm going to show you why it happens, give you a recommendation how to fix it. So what causes it? Sometimes it's just the coffee. Some coffee that just whatever you do, okay, you just kind of a soggy puck. But most times, you guys are using the fresh roast coffee, and most times it's just the dosing amounts and basket size. Okay, I'm using 19 gram on my espresso every single morning, and so I have this basket here. If you are using IMS baskets, they usually have some numbers on it, okay, lettering. So this particular baskets, this is the 22 gram baskets, okay. So I'm using the 19 gram on 22 gram baskets. It's about 3 gram difference. It's not a lot, but make a big difference in comes to dryness of your espresso. So the shot earlier, that's 19 gram. As you can see, this is wet and soggy. So now, just simply, I'm going to change my dosing amounts. Okay, so I'm going to go, let's say 22 gram basket. So you know what? Let's go 21 gram. Okay, let's go 21 gram and see what's the puck quality like. Before we check out the puck, let's check out the espresso first. There we go. Cheers. Dark, chocolate, creamy, sweet. It's great. Okay. Let's take a look at the puck. As you can see, puck comes up pretty clean as well. Let's take a look at the puck itself. It's pretty dry. Okay, not like the other times. Again, I use the 21 gram, okay, instead of 22 gram. So before I was using 19 gram on 22 gram baskets. So this one I use 21 gram on 22 gram baskets. So next time if I'm going to use 22 gram basket, it's going to be even more drier. The fact is I even use the puck screen as well. Okay, the puck screen actually help you give you even drier puck. Okay, because the puck screen push down all the liquid, okay, all the espresso squeeze down, so it makes even puck even dry. So anyways, just again, in the end, as long as your cup tastes good, doesn't matter if you have a soggy puck or dry puck, doesn't make any difference. But if you're, if you want to have less messy on your coffee bar, just make sure you get the right dosing amount for the baskets, okay? Just make sure check your basket size. If you are using 16 gram baskets, do not overfill it. Okay. If you are using 16 gram baskets, maybe like 15.5 gram or 16 gram. Okay. But you do not want to go over that. But do not underfill it either. If you are using 18 gram baskets, do not go 16 gram. Okay. Just make sure. That's the reason why it's nice to have the scale. I mean, this is a gram by weight. But if you have scale, okay, before you dosing, just make sure you have the right amount of coffees going into your basket. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'm going to see you guys next time.